Okay, in the last session we saw two mysterious benefactors trying to give Andrew money, and we're going to try and run the same thing again. And this time we're going to have the highest level of serial lines, highest level of transaction isolation level in both windows as before. But this time the difference is we're going to check to see how much money Andrew's got in the second window. So in this window here, we can see that Andrew's got £130 thanks to the two transactions from the previous video. Now, in the top window, we're going to try and give Andrew £10. And you can see that it can't complete. Whether that transaction goes through and whether that update goes through or not depends on what's going to happen in the second window. In the second window, if I try and put £20, now when I press enter, one of these transactions is going to have to fail. The system's not smart enough to spot that there is a way through, that we could actually do this transaction first, followed by this transaction, everything would be fine. We can't do this transaction and then this transaction because this one can already see there's £130, and if I put this one through, then this one's going to be wrong. So let's see what happens. Press enter, and happily it was the measly £10 transaction that got killed. The system could have killed either of them. It spotted that there was a deadlock. That top transaction there, deadlock found when trying to get the lock, and so this transaction failed. This transaction succeeded, and we can commit. And we should see that Andrew got £20 from that last thing. This £10 transaction here, that got lost, but the process doing it at least was able to spot that the transaction failed. And so in practice, if you find that the update that you're attempting has failed, you've got to watch out for that, and you can do something about it. You can just try again. So try restarting. That's some good advice there from the error message. So you can try that transaction again. Let's just check that that money did go through and Andrew's got the right amount. So I'll run here. What we're expecting started with 130. This £20 went through, the £10 didn't, so we should have 150. Excellent, £150.